What's up, guys? Back with some information about the whole Robinhood Wall Street bet stuff. So, Congress this week has been, today's February 18th. Congress this week has been started an investigation into specifically the House Representatives Committee on Financial Services. They've been asking questions to people that were involved with it. So, today there was a statement, a written statement released by Melvin Capital Management, their founder and chief investment officer, Gabriel Plotkin. So I'm going to pull up on the screen here. We can kind of see what his perspective is on this whole situation. So let's bring it up. Okay, hopefully you guys can see that pretty good. Okay, so this was sent, actually, this is his written testimony for today. Also today, Robinhood CEO Vlad will be giving his testimony as well. So let's see what this says. So basically, it just says, on recent trading activity in Gamestop, I'm the founder. Introduces himself. So he said many investors in all sizes have experienced losses, which is true. And if you guys don't remember, obviously, Robinhood put stop to certain trades last month. Now they're fully open, but it had to do with GameStop shooting up and AMC and some other meme stocks, if you will. So I guess in here he's addressing GameStop I guess he's addressing GameStop specifically here. So let's see. I understand that part of the focus of this hearing is decision of stock trading platforms to limit trading at GameStop. I want to make it clear at the outset that Melvin Capital played absolutely no role in those trading platform decisions. In fact, Melvin closed out all of his position GameStop's day before the platform put those limitations in place, like you learned about those limits from news reports. Okay. I also want to make clear at the outset that contrary to many reports, Melvin Capital was not bailed out in the midst of these events. Now, if you guys remember, Citadel gave him, I believe, $2 billion or so, or $3 billion. Okay, it goes on to talk about this. Citadel proactively reached out to becoming a new investor similar to investments others making in our fund. Okay, so two things. Going back to here, they're basically pointing the finger at Robinhood, saying that it's their fault. Down here, now it's saying that Citadel had wanted to invest before all this stuff happened magically. So interesting statement there. So he goes on about his background, yada, yada, yada. Long and short type of stuff. So a few things, and then here we go. GameStop position. Research support, view well. In fact, we had been short GameStop since Melvin's inception 6 years earlier. So basically saying that they were shorting GameStop prior to all this happening, which, okay, that doesn't really make a good valid argument. It actually makes them look innocent to proven guilty, but it kind of makes them look a little more guiltier then, because they stand to lose a lot more money. Talks about on Reddit began, so they're talking about he's talking about Wall Street bets. So he's giving out numbers here, down here in this paragraph. I mean, we all kind of know this already. Investment decent change because okay, so the base is saying they lost a lot of money. That's what he's saying. He didn't state like how much they lost though. That's the interesting thing. So I'm not sure if Congress is gonna follow up and ask that. So a few things to take away from here, just to recap. So he's stating that it was Robinhood's fault. We had nothing to do with Robinhood. Let me bring it back up to me. We have nothing to do with Robinhood not allowing you to buy, GameStop and stuff like that, stocks like that. And then he goes on to say that Citadel wanted to invest in our company before all this stuff happened, so they're not involved. They just happen to have, is it coincidence? I don't know, that they sort of bailed him out. That's what the rumor is. According to the founder, Gabriel Plotkin of Melvin Capital, he's saying, no, that's not the case. They want to just invest in our company. You can decide on that. And then basically they're saying they lost money because they shorted GameStop. He didn't say how much, so interesting. Let me know what you guys think. I'm definitely gonna keep my eye out on the news and see what Robinhood CEO says. I believe they're also questioning Citadel's CEO or chief financial officer. So it'll be interesting to see what they have to say. So if you guys are new to the channel, appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button. I also have links down below if you want to get started in stocks. I also have some other videos on that. Thanks for watching, guys. Till next time, peace.